इदारा हाजा के तालिब इल्म हाफ़िज़ वजाहत अली गुजारिश करूँगा कि वो तशरीफ़ लाएँ और इंग्लिश में चंद जुमले जो हैं वो पेश फरमाएँ।
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I want to talk to you about a very special book. This book is called the Quran. It's a holy book that was revealed to our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, over 1400 years ago. The Quran is the guide for all of humanity. It's a book that teaches us how to live a good life, how to be kind to others, and how to please Allah. It's a book that shows us the right path and helps us to become better people. One of the most beautiful things about the Quran is its language. It's written in Arabic and its words are so powerful and moving that they can bring tears to our ears and eyes. When we recite the Quran, we feel a sense of peace and calm in our heart. The Quran is also a book of wisdom. It contains stories of the prophets and their people, which teach us valuable lessons about life. It tells us about the creation of the universe and the day of judgment. But the Quran is not just a book of stories and wisdom. It's also a book of guidance. It teaches us how to pray, how to fast, how to give charity, and how to be good to our parents. The Quran is a book that is loved and respected by millions of people around the world. It's a book that brings people together regardless of their background and culture. So let's all try to learn Quran. Let's read it, recite it, learn it, and try to understand its teachings. Let's make Quran a part of our daily lives, and let's try to become better people by following its guidance. In conclusion, the Quran is a truly special book. It's a gift from Allah to all of the humanity, and it's a source of guidance, wisdom, and peace. Let's try to make Quran a part of our lives. Jazakallahu khair. Wassalam.